Change lanes right now, because these are 20 next-level truck inventions you've probably never seen before. From smart tarpolin systems and extendable low loaders to truck-mounted forklifts and advanced steering tech, these machines are changing how heavy loads move. Faster loading, safer handling, smarter control. Watch till the end, because the last one might be the smartest truck innovation on the road. Benalu Easy Top Cover Sheet System. The Benalu Easy Top Cover Sheet System is a smart trucking innovation that perfectly matches today's demand for speed, safety, and efficiency. Designed for modern tipper trailers, this automated side cover system allows drivers to open or close the top quickly from ground level, removing the need to climb onto the vehicle. With smooth electric operation, EasyTop secures the load in seconds, helping protect materials from weather, dust, and road debris during transport. Built to integrate seamlessly with Benalu trailers, the system supports faster loading cycles and safer daily operations, especially in demanding work environments like construction, agriculture, and bulk transport. By reducing manual effort and minimizing risk, EasyTop shows how simple automation can make a big difference on the road. It's not about luxury or upgrades, but about practical innovation that keeps drivers moving efficiently while improving overall work safety and productivity in real-world hauling conditions. KMD 23 Axle Extendable Low Loader. The KMD 23 Axle Extendable Low Loader is a heavy transport innovation designed for moving oversized machinery with better control and flexibility. Built for demanding haulage tasks, this trailer features an extendable deck that allows operators to adjust the loading length based on the size of the cargo. With both 2-axle and 3-axle configurations available, it supports a wide range of payload requirements across construction, industrial, and agricultural sectors. The extendable structure helps improve load distribution, making it easier to transport long or heavy equipment that standard trailers cannot handle. From excavators and crushers to large industrial components, this low loader adapts to challenging transport jobs without sacrificing stability. Its design reflects how modern trailer engineering focuses on adaptability, safety, and efficiency, helping operators manage complex loads more effectively. This is the kind of smart transport solution that shows how heavy haulage continues to evolve with real-world demands. Miller Century 5230. The Miller Century 5230 is a powerful towing and recovery machine built to handle the toughest roadside challenges with confidence. Designed for heavy-duty operations, this integrated wrecker displays the strength and engineering behind modern recovery trucks. With a massive boom, high-capacity winches, and a long underlift reach, the Century 5230 is built for lifting, towing, and recovering large vehicles that standard wreckers simply can't manage. Its design focuses on strength, balance, and operator control, allowing recovery crews to work efficiently in demanding conditions. Advanced hydraulic systems, flexible control options, and a rugged modular body highlight how recovery technology continues to advance. Whether responding to highway incidents, commercial breakdowns, or complex recovery scenes, the Century 5230 represents the type of innovation that keeps roads moving and operations safe. This truck isn't just about raw power, but about smart engineering built for real-world recovery work. Ram Half-Pipe Tipper Semi-Trail. The Ram Half-Pipe Tipper Semi-Trail is a smart bulk transport solution designed for fast, clean, and efficient material dumping. Its distinctive curved half-pipe body allows materials like sand, gravel, soil, and aggregates to flow out smoothly during tipping, reducing residue and speeding up unloading on busy job sites. Unlike traditional box-shaped tippers, the rounded interior minimizes material buildup and improves stability while lifting. Built for demanding construction and mining environments, this type of semi-trail is engineered with strong steel construction and a reliable hydraulic tipping system suited for heavy loads. The half-pipe design also helps distribute weight more evenly, supporting safer transport over long distances. Used across infrastructure, road work, and large-scale earth-moving projects, the Ram Half-Pipe Tipper highlights how trailer design continues to evolve to improve efficiency, durability, and productivity in modern heavy transport operations. Bosch at IAA Transportation. Bosch at IAA Transportation highlights how the future of commercial mobility is being shaped through smart technology, electrification, and connected systems. At one of the world's most important transport exhibitions, Bosch presents a clear vision of how trucks, vans, and logistics networks are moving beyond traditional mechanics into software-driven platforms. The showcase features electric powertrain solutions, advanced driver assistance systems, and intelligent software that work together to improve safety, efficiency, and sustainability in real-world transport operations. Bosch also emphasizes technology flexibility, supporting battery electric, hydrogen fuel cell, and hybrid solutions, so fleets can adapt to different markets and regulations. Alongside vehicle hardware, connected fleet services and cloud-based tools show how data can optimize operations and reduce downtime. This presentation reflects a broader shift in the transport industry, where innovation focuses on keeping people and goods moving smarter, cleaner, and more reliably across global supply chains. Crampa Alutop. The Crampa Alutop is a smart trailer innovation designed to meet modern demands for secure and weather-resistant load coverage in heavy transport. Developed by German trailer specialist Cramper, this hydraulically operated aluminum cover system combines fast operation with strong protection, making it ideal for hauling sensitive or regulated materials. The Alutop opens and closes smoothly using low-maintenance hydraulic cylinders, allowing drivers to cover loads quickly without complex mechanisms. Its rigid aluminum structure presses firmly onto the trailer body, helping shield cargo from rain, dust, sunlight, and road debris, while supporting compliance with strict load-securing regulations in many regions. Despite its robust build, the lightweight aluminum design keeps added weight low, preserving payload efficiency. Featured on cramper tipper and half-pipe trailers, the Alutop reflects how smart engineering continues to improve safety, practicality, and efficiency in real-world transport and construction operations. WIS Volvo 4-Ox LKW. The WIS Volvo 4-Ox LKW is a heavy transport solution built for demanding logistics, machine hauling, and worksite operations. Based on a powerful Volvo 4-axle chassis, this truck is specially upfitted by WIS to handle oversized equipment with stability and precision. The 4-axle layout helps distribute weight more evenly, making it ideal for transporting construction machines, aerial work platforms, and heavy industrial loads. Features like hydraulic loading ramps, reinforced transport bodies, and multiple securing points allow fast and controlled loading on site. Combined with Volvo's advanced drivetrain technology, automatic transmission, and modern safety systems, the truck delivers smooth performance, both on highways and in tight work zones. This vehicle highlights the progress of modern custom truck design, where trusted chassis technology is paired with expert body construction to deliver tailored transport solutions that support heavy industries with dependable and efficient daily performance. Dahl Timber Truck. The Dahl Long Timber Truck and Trailer is a purpose-built transport solution designed to handle one of the most demanding logistics tasks in the industry, moving long timber safely and efficiently. Engineered in Germany, this system is built to transport logs of varying lengths, including extreme long timber loads reaching up to 22 meters. Its extendable and telescopic frame design allows operators to adapt quickly to different cargo requirements, whether working deep in forest terrain or on long highway routes. Advanced steering technologies help maintain stability and maneuverability, even with fully loaded trailers on narrow or winding roads. The lightweight yet high-strength steel construction supports durability without reducing payload efficiency. Integrated control systems simplify operation from steering assistance to load handling and securing. This transport solution shows how specialized engineering continues to improve timber logistics, combining flexibility, safety, and performance to keep forestry operations running smoothly. BPW Hestel Cargo Master. The BPW Hestel Cargo Master is an innovative load securing system designed to make trailer operations faster, safer, and more efficient. Unlike traditional straps that require manual handling, Cargo Master uses roof-mounted rails and a guided lifting mechanism to keep securing equipment accessible, yet out of the way, reducing physical strain on drivers and speeding up loading in busy pallet networks or automotive logistics. Its modular design works with straps, nets, or tarpaulins, positioning them accurately above the cargo for improved safety. Innovations like the multi-master roof rail showcased at IAA Transportation integrate Cargo Master rails directly into trailer roofs, simplifying operations and reducing hazards. By combining ergonomic handling, guided placement, and adaptable attachments, the system highlights how modern trailer design focuses on efficiency, safety, and practicality. The BPW Hestel Cargo Master offers a clear solution for fleets seeking smarter, safer, and faster cargo handling. Freightlock 919 Ergo Ratchet. The Freightlock 919 Ergo Ratchet is changing the way cargo is secured, offering a balance of power, comfort, and efficiency for truck drivers and transport professionals. Engineered as part of LoadLock's Freight Lock lashing system, this ergonomic ratchet features a longer handle and a pull-to-tight mechanism that reduces physical strain while delivering maximum tension. Designed for heavy-duty straps that meet European load securing standards, it ensures that pallets, machinery, and construction materials remain firmly in place during transport. Unlike traditional ratchets, the 9119 Ergo allows faster and more precise tie-downs, making daily operations smoother and safer. Its thoughtful design improves control and stability, turning a routine task into a quicker and less demanding process. For anyone involved in freight, logistics, or construction, this tool is not just convenient, it's a smart investment in efficiency and safety. XL Side Dump. The XL Side Dump trailer is changing how contractors and haulers move aggregates and heavy materials by combining rugged construction, high capacity, and smart safety features in one solution. Built by XL Specialized Trailers, it features a durable AR450 steel tub capable of handling 60,000 pounds while resisting cracking under heavy loads. With up to 33 cubic yards at strike-off for fast and efficient material transport. Safety is built into the design with automatic tub engagement hooks on both sides and an electric mesh tar system that helps prevent accidental dumping. Rubber-mounted LED lighting and a rugged center cluster improve visibility during night operations. Available in 2-axle and 3-axle configurations with multiple color options and a 2-year full-frame warranty, the XL Side Dump delivers speed, reliability, and ease of use on every job site, making it a smart choice for fleets moving gravel, sand, or other bulk materials. Cargobull SKO. The Cargobull SKO series stands out as a premium refrigerated trailer solution across Europe, designed to keep temperature-sensitive freight safe and efficient. Built by Schmidt's Cargobull, these trailers are engineered for transporting food, pharmaceuticals, and other perishables that require precise climate control, featuring high-quality insulated bodies, efficient refrigeration systems, and advanced air circulation. SKO trailers maintain uniform temperatures throughout the cargo area. Many models include Trailer Connect telematics, providing real-time monitoring of temperature, cargo conditions, and trailer status to improve fleet management and delivery reliability. The SKO lineup typically includes 3-axle configurations with gross weights around 39,000 kilograms and internal lengths exceeding 13 meters, making them ideal for long-haul logistics. Variants like the SKO Cool offer improved cooling and reduced noise, while the all-electric eCool supports zero-emission city transport, ensuring goods stay fresh and deliveries remain on schedule. Feimanville Veromax Plus. The Feimanville Veromax Plus is a heavy transport trailer built for operators who require flexibility and high payload capacity. Designed for oversized loads such as construction machinery, industrial equipment, and transformers, it combines modular adaptability with agile handling on tight roads and job sites. Its key feature is the Joker axle system, which allows axle bogies to be added at different positions so operators can adjust the trailer for payload and legal axle limits without a fixed setup. The Veromax Plus also delivers strong steering performance, a low loading height, and robust pendle axle technology with up to 600 millimeter stroke, improving safety and efficiency during transport. With intuitive controls, low maintenance needs, and solid build quality, it supports demanding transport tasks where adaptability and reliability are essential. Maximo Timber. The Maximo Timber is a powerhouse of Nordic forestry engineering built by Aluka in Maximo, Finland. These vehicles combine powerful tractor units such as Volvo or Scania with specially designed timber frames, lightweight aluminum bunks, and integrated cranes to handle logs effectively. Designed for durability and optimized weight, they manage massive loads on forest roads and highways alike. What sets them apart is the specialized superstructure, including ice fighter sanding gear, crane mounts, and adaptable bunk systems tailored to different forestry requirements. Maximo timber trucks excel in precision, ruggedness, and all-season performance, making heavy timber hauling safer and more efficient. Operators benefit from vehicles built for intense daily use, highlighting how specialized engineering turns standard trucks into reliable forestry powerhouses. Benelux Bulk Liner S. The Benelux Bulk Liner S is a high-capacity tipping trailer designed for modern bulk transport. Built by Benelux, it features a double-skin aluminum body with gradient thickness, placing material where strength is needed while keeping overall weight low. Available in lengths from 9.7 meters to 11.32 meters and heights from 1.9 meters to 2.32 meters, it offers volumes between 44.5 cubic meters and 64 cubic meters for agricultural goods, sand, stones, or fertilizer. The trailer includes manual or electric easy topside tarpaulins, customized rear doors, and a lowered aluminum chassis for improved stability and easier loading. Its wide 24-10mm passage and premium finishing support smooth operations on long routes, while lightweight construction and high volume improve overall fleet efficiency. Designed for durability and smart load distribution, the Bulk Liner S reflects how modern tipping trailers balance innovation, capacity, and reliability. Cromero Overquick. The Cromero Overquick is an advanced automatic tarpaulin system that transforms how bulk cargo is covered on trailers. Designed for serial trailers, moving floors, and bulk bodies up to 13.65 meters, it uses electronic side rolling operation to roll the reinforced PVC cover in under 30 seconds. Operators can control it from ground level using a remote or the MicroArrow app, removing the need for manual tensioning. Its patented inner air chamber design keeps the system compact, adapts to existing trailer bows, and ensures air and watertight protection even at high loads. With no bulky rear hardware, trailer doors can fully open for faster loading and unloading. The Overquick system also improves aerodynamics and protects sensitive cargo like grain, silage, or compost, combining speed, safety, and reliability for modern bulk transport operations. BPW Active Reverse Control. The BPW Active Reverse Control is an innovative system that changes how trailers are maneuvered, making reversing and tight turns safer and easier. Developed by BPW Bergische Achsen KG, it adds electro-hydraulic steering to self-steering axles, allowing trailers to react automatically when reversing at speeds up to 10 km/h. This improves control in confined spaces such as urban loading docks or construction sites, while also reducing tire wear and fuel consumption. Its plug-and-play design keeps installation simple, adds no significant weight, and preserves payload capacity without requiring special approvals. Operators can also use the BPW ARC app to configure settings, check diagnostics, and adjust steering behavior. Recent updates even allow forward maneuvering by remote control at low speeds, increasing precision in tight areas. By combining smart steering technology with easy operation, BPW Active Reverse Control helps drivers handle heavy trailers confidently, efficiently, and safely. Caro Tarp All. The Caro Tarp All is an innovative top system designed for flatbed trucks and trailers, combining speed, safety, and versatility. Unlike traditional fixed bows, it uses a sliding folding structure on side guides, allowing full access to the flatbed for loading pallets, containers, pipes, timber, or other bulky goods. The top moves on maintenance-free, self-lubricating wheels and can be opened or closed safely from ground level in under 2 minutes. Its flexible design adapts to standard load securing systems, even without sideboards, and the top can be positioned anywhere along the deck without reducing usable space. Tarp All is ideal for fleets handling mixed freight, improving access and efficiency during loading and unloading. By freeing the deck, protecting loads, and simplifying operations, it supports safe transport of diverse cargo while saving time and effort for operators. Palfinger TMF BM 214. The Palfinger TMF BM 2114 is a compact truck-mounted forklift designed to give operators independent unloading capability without additional equipment. It can be mounted between axles or at the rear and becomes fully operational in about 30 seconds. With a 2,100 kilograms lift capacity up to 2.85 meters, it handles pallets, machinery, and building materials efficiently. Powered by a 3-cylinder diesel engine with permanent all-wheel drive, the BM214 maintains traction on rough or uneven terrain, making it suitable for construction sites, narrow yards, or remote delivery locations. Its remote radio control allows drivers to operate safely from different angles, even in tight spaces like underground garages. Designed for speed, versatility, and real-world productivity, the BM204 supports truck fleets that require flexible on-site material handling. VS Montrearo System. The VS Montrearo System is a smart solution for construction and bulk material transport, combining VS Mont tipper bodies with Creo tarpaulin systems for fast and safe load covering. VS Mont tippers such as the S1G, S1H, and S3 are built from high-strength steel, providing stability and durability for gravel, sand, rock, and other heavy materials. The Creo tarpaulins can be mechanically or electrically operated, allowing ground-level control using a crank, push button, or remote, removing the need for manual hand pulling. This combination ensures loads remain protected from dust, rain, and spillage while improving efficiency during loading and unloading. By integrating strong tipper design with reliable tarpaulin technology, operators gain a safer, quicker, and more convenient way to manage bulk materials. The system is ideal for construction, mining, and aggregate transport, where speed, safety, and durability are essential.